In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to repost posts and reels over on Instagram. This is a rather new feature, so make sure you go to Instagram in your app store and update to the most recent version of the app. Once you're here, what you're going to start seeing is the repost button below a post. So here we are on my home feed. Here is a post from a friend of mine, and the repost button looks like arrows that are going in a circle. So if I go and tap on the repost button like so, it will allow me to repost it. I'll see my little profile image and the repost icon, and then I can go and tap into add a thought, and I can just go ahead and add some emojis or text as if I'm commenting on the repost that I'm making, and then go ahead and go to save. As you can see, it's now been reposted. In order to find that repost, I go to my profile here, and now you're going to see a new tab that has the little arrows, or the repost tab there, and it's going to show you the post that you just reposted. And if you really wanted to, you can tap and hold on the repost and go to delete repost, and it will automatically delete that repost for you. In order to repost a reel, go to your Reels feed, and you'll see the repost button to the right there. So you can tap the little arrows where it says repost, and then you can go again and tap into where you can type, and you can type some emojis, type a few things about the reel that you want to repost, hit save, and now when you go to your profile and we refresh your repost here, you can see that that repost of that reel is showing up under the new repost tab. Again, you can tap and hold if you want to, and comment, like, delete, or share the repost. If I want to, I can tap delete, and that will automatically delete that repost whenever I refresh there below. If you don't see this option, just wait. It'll be available. Just wait till your Instagram is updated and you should be good to go. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.